Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the speed up tricks on Samsung Galaxy A17. Alright, let's begin with the developer options and a few things that we can change in them. So, open up your normal settings first, scroll down and click on About Phone. Now we need to find the software information, and in here we have the build number. We need to tap on it a few times. If you have a lock screen set, you also need to type your password or draw it. And now click on OK. OK, developer mode has been enabled. Now go back, and now under the About Phone we have the developer options. Now we need to scroll down until we find 4 options that we can change. So let's scroll down. They should be in here. Yeah. Okay, it's the window animation scale, transition animation scale, and the animator duration scale. As you can see, all of those 3 options are set on 1x, but when we want to improve the performance and the speed of our device, we can change each option on off or at least 0.5. For me, the perfect balance is 0.5 because we will still have our animations. They will be a little different, but they will be still enabled. But don't go higher than 1x because it will only slow your device. So select everything on off or 0.5, just like that. And now scroll down a little, and we can also find the apps and the background process limit. To boost the speed, we can select at most 3 or at most 4. It's up to you. I'll select at most 3. Okay, now we can exit the developer options, and from here let's go straight into the device care. And in here you can check, do you have the optimize button. Sometimes it appears under this emoji. In my case everything is great, so the button doesn't appear, but there is a huge chance that in your case it might appear. Now we can also click the memory. And in here, for example, we can clean up to 300 megabytes. It's worth doing. Don't worry, it won't delete your data. So, don't worry. We also have the RAM Plus in here. It's worth turning it on. And we can select the highest option in here. Thanks to it, our device will be working as fast as possible. Okay, and we will have the max performance. As you can see already, even the cleanup button appeared. So it's worth taking a look from time to time in here. We also, as we open up the storage, we can see that we have some things in the recycle bin. We can simply delete those things to gain some free data. Just like that. Pretty easy. Same thing is with the unused apps. In here, the apps that you haven't used in the past 30 days will appear, and that's like a suggestion from the device to uninstall those apps because you know you are not using them, they're only taking your storage space, and because of that your device might work slower, because remember that if you have more storage space, your device will work in the better way. Next thing are the duplicated files. It's also worth deleting them, because if you have some duplicated files, it's not necessary to have a copy of them. Click on delete, and that's all. The duplicated files has been deleted. Okay. As we open up the software update, we'll be able to see, do we have some software updates possible. It's always good to have the latest version of the software, because it might help with some bugs and lags. So it's worth checking, do you have the latest version. In my case I have the latest version, so I don't need to download anything. It's also worth enabling the auto download. It means that the software update will be automatically downloaded if you are connected to the Wi-Fi. Okay, also we have the auto optimization. In here you can set a schedule or select restart when needed. When you enable the first option, your phone will restart automatically when performance issues are detected, or you can enable the restart on schedule. I'll show you how to set it. So in here, as you can see, we have the days of the week. So let's say we want our device to be rebooted each Friday at, for example, 3 AM. Click on done. And also, remember that restarting your device is good for your device health, because during that process the phone rests, we can say it that way. All of the processes that are running in the background are being closed, and it also frees up the RAM. So you can select restart when needed or restart on schedule. Okay. Also, when it comes to the unused apps, if they doesn't appear in the settings where I was just showing you, you can manually uninstall the apps that you are not using. So for example, I'm not using the Firefox and it's taking my storage space. Simply hold on the icon and hit the uninstall button. Pretty easy thing. Okay, also when you are using your device for a longer period of time, there's a huge chance that you have a lot of apps open in the background, just like me, and it's taking your RAM, and because of that your device might work a little bit slower. So it's simply worth turning off those apps that you're not using, and it frees up our RAM. Okay, also from the Play Store you can download some third-party cleaning apps. Simply open the Play Store, type cleaning or cleaner, and you will have a whole list of apps that you can download. But remember that before downloading, it's always good to see the reviews about the apps. In my opinion, the cleaner which is already installed on our device is fine, but if you want to have more, you can download some things from the Play Store. Okay, and as a last thing, I'll show you how you can manually reboot your device. Because just like I was saying, rebooting your device from time to time is good for your device performance. To reboot this device, we need to launch the power menu. We do it by holding the power button and volume down button at the same time. Just like that. And now all you need to do is to tap on the restart. No, it didn't work. Tap on the restart, tap once again, and now within a few seconds the device will be turned on and it will be ready to use. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.